Ikenna is 26. Born in Barcelona, Spain. His father died 3 months ago. He stands in his uncle's forge in Onye, Enugu State. Uncle Emeka, 58, metal worker, 40 years at the anvil, heats an iron rod. The fire is orange. The heat pushes against Ikenna's face. Uncle Emeka pulls the rod from the fire, strikes it once, twice. The metal bends. Ikenna watches. He doesn't understand the angle. He doesn't ask. Uncle Emeka hands him the hammer. Ikenna strikes. The metal warps. Uncle Emeka says nothing. The silence is heavier than the hammer. Ndewo. No. I am Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, heritage futurist, daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops, episode 13, week 3, day 3. Today, the 3 questions that turn shame into mastery. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. Today's proverb is Onye ajụjụ anaghị efu ụzọ. Onye ajụjụ anaghị efu ụzọ. He who asks questions does not lose his way. In Igbo thought, asking is not weakness. It is navigation. The apprentice who asks becomes the master. The one who pretends stays lost. And so today you will learn how to ask for help, to ask how something is done, and to ask what something is. 3 questions, 1 architecture. Week 2. Ngwo. Uncle Emeka forges an ofo staff, the sacred symbol of truth in Igbo land. The metal must curve without breaking. Ikenna watches. He sees the technique but doesn't understand the timing. Last week, silence. This week, something shifts. He asks his uncle, Kedu ka esi eme ya? Kedu ka esi eme ya? Uncle Emeka stops, smiles. You strike when the metal is yellow, not orange, not white, yellow. Ikenna tries, waits for yellow, strikes. The metal curves. Week 3. A customer brings a broken ceremonial gong. Ikenna has never seen one. He asks, Kedu ihe ọ bụ? The woman answers, Ogene, my grandfather's. Can you repair it? Uncle Emeka explains the history, the technique. The customer watches Ikenna ask, watches him learn. She nods. Week 4. Uncle Emeka needs to move the anvil. 80 kilograms. Ikenna tries alone. It doesn't move. Pride says, you should be strong enough. Shame says, don't ask. He asks, ị nwere ike inyere m aka? Uncle Emeka calls 3 apprentices. They lift together. Later, Uncle Emeka tells him, your father never asked. He broke 3 or 4 staffs. You asked. That is why you will be better. What Ikenna learnt wasn't just metal work. It was survival technology. Oji Boniface Ifeanyi, a historian in the Department of History and International Studies at Bowen University, examined the Igbo apprenticeship system in the 2021 Journal of the Historical Society of Nigeria. He notes that after a 3-month trial, masters assess apprentices on willingness to learn, resilience, and trustworthiness to decide if they continue. These traits emerge through active engagement, like asking questions to grasp business intricacies. But this isn't just cultural, it's architectural. In traditional Igbo compounds, the obi, the open meeting house, features an open front without enclosing doors, inviting communal visibility and knowledge flow. The elder sits facing the entrance, aligning with this design to foster open teaching. When Ikenna asked, Kedu ka esi eme ya? He walked through that open door. Uncle Emeka could see him. The knowledge transferred. Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie captures this in Half of a Yellow Sun, 2006, portraying Igbo language and cultural openness as survival tools amid crisis. The ones who seek knowledge rebuild. Your questions are the open door. Let's put this into words and learn our 3 sentences for today. Repeat after me. Number 1. Ị nwere ike inyere m aka? Can you help me? Ị nwere ike inyere m aka? Ị nwere ike inyere m aka? Number 2. Kedu ka esi eme ya? Kedu ka esi eme ya? How does one do this? Kedu ka esi eme ya? Kedu ka esi eme ya? And finally, number 3. Kedu ihe ọ bụ? Kedu ihe ọ bụ? What is it? Kedu ihe ọ bụ? Kedu ihe ọ bụ? Take this with you today. Every master was once an apprentice who asked. Like Uncle Emeka said, your father's pride broke 3 staffs. Your humility will forge 1,000. Don't forget to grab this week's free speaking workbook at learnibonow.com. Before this day is done, say, ị nwere ike inyere m aka to someone. Not to practice, but to ask. If this episode found its way to you, rate us on Apple Podcasts or Spotify. Your review is how another learner finds their way home. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds oke osimiri mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ m nwanne gị nwanyị, Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. I am your sister, Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. Ka ọnụ gị mepee mgbe ọ kwesịrị. May your mouth open when it should. Ka chi gị duo gị. May your chi lead you. Jisie ike. Stay strong and keep pushing. Ka anyị bido ọzọ echi. Let us start again tomorrow.